We've just acquired this absolutely stunning Mercedes E250 AMG Sport. It's in beautiful ice blue. It might look silver on the pictures and videos, but it's got a lovely colour blue on it. It's got the front park distance control. It's a facelift model. It's got the AMG alloy wheels and body styling kit. Rear park distance control. So you've got the much bigger, larger rear diffuser on the bumper. It's just started to rain, shame. Boot area is in lovely condition. It's got the half leather, half Alcantara trim, electric windows, electric mirrors. It's got satellite navigation, heated seats, Bluetooth phone connection for your phone and for music. It's done really nice low mileage, 64,103. It's in lovely condition. Cruise control, DJs for full dealer facilities. If you require any further information, please call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.